What is the best way to use a flashlight and magnifying glass to start a fire?
Hello, adventurers! Today we're going to explore an interesting survival skill that can be a real lifesaver in the wilderness. We'll be learning how to start a fire using a flashlight and a magnifying glass. This technique leverages the power of the sun and the properties of our tools to ignite a fire, making it an essential part of any survival toolkit.
What you will need.
To get started, you'll need the following: a flashlight. This tool serves as a great makeshift tinder holder. A magnifying glass, the key component for focusing sunlight and creating fire. Dry tinder. You can use any dry flammable material such as dry leaves, twigs, or cotton balls. Patience. Fire starting with this method requires time and patience.
Preparing the flashlight.
To prepare the flashlight, 1. Remove the top of the flashlight. This is the part which holds the bulb and reflector, leaving only the body of the flashlight. 2. Place your dry tinder inside the flashlight body. This will hold your tinder in place and make it easier to aim the focused sunlight.
Positioning the magnifying glass.
After you've prepared the flashlight, it's time to position the magnifying glass. 1. Hold the magnifying glass between the sun and the flashlight. It's essential to do this during a time of the day when the sun is high and its rays are strong, usually around noon. 2. Adjust the distance between the magnifying glass and the flashlight to focus the sunlight onto a small spot on the tinder. This is the most crucial part. You're looking for a bright, concentrated point of light on the tinder.
Igniting the tinder.
Now, let's ignite the tinder. 1. Be patient. Keep the focused sunlight on the same spot on the tinder. Depending on the strength of the sunlight and the tinder you are using, this could take a few minutes. 2. Watch for smoke. Once you see smoke, gently blow onto the tinder to provide oxygen and fuel the flame. That's all there is to it. Starting a fire with a flashlight and a magnifying glass is a fantastic survival skill to have. It requires patience and practice, but once you've mastered it, you'll always be prepared, whether you're camping, hiking, or dealing with a power outage. Always remember to handle fire responsibly and ensure it is fully extinguished when you're done. Happy adventuring, and stay safe!